In the previous video, we attempted upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 through command prompt without needing any specific hardware requirements. An error appeared during the upgrade that said your PC settings need to be adjusted before upgrading to the latest version of Windows, followed by another prompt to turn off memory integrity protection. Clicking it only redirects us to Microsoft's basic troubleshooting page, which usually doesn't fix anything. So let's move to the next step. According to the link in the error, Microsoft suggests going to the Core Isolation page in Windows Security and turning the memory integrity toggle off, then restarting your computer. Search for Windows Security, go to Device Security, and you'll see two highlighted options. First is Core Isolation. Turn off memory integrity and restart when Windows prompts you. The second option isn't mentioned by Microsoft, but is often the real cause of this issue. If Secure Boot is enabled, it can block the upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Restart your computer and wait for the Dell or HP logo. If you're using a Dell system, press F12. If you're on HP, press ESC. Then locate the Secure Boot setting and disable it. After rebooting, open Command Prompt again and follow the same steps. You can continue from where you left off or start from the beginning to avoid problems. I'll continue from where I stopped, and as you can see, the upgrade has now started successfully. Your system will restart and take you straight to the Windows 11 desktop. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.